So I'm here at the warehouse. Gotta get this lift that's not working properly. So it needs to be ready for the airport job because this is the small lift, so it fits nicely into areas that, you know, like, because we can't, certain parts of the job, we don't want to shut down traffic at the entrance and arrival, or the arrival and departure area. We don't want to shut down the traffic, the automobile traffic. So this smaller lift can get up high enough, but we can tuck it into a couple areas that will not become an issue with traffic impediment. So that's why this is the lift we need to make sure is ready to go for next week, and it's not working properly, so I'm going to troubleshoot it and get to the bottom of what the problem is and correct it, hopefully. All right, so if you want to stay tuned, I'll go through that process. So I'm going to open this up here and see what we got going behind here. So, this is the hydraulic reservoir here. This is the motor here. We're at 14 or 11.7. All four of these lights should turn on if all four of the outriggers are properly set. Yeah, so we have four. One, two, three, four are lit, and the power indicator one is on as well. Okay. Because this unit should be able to run with that much voltage. I've ran in the past with, you know, lower voltage than that. With lower voltage than even 10 volts. You'll definitely hear it, but it's not ideal either. But if you're trying to finish a job and you don't got something to charge it nearby. Okay. So the solenoid isn't working properly. If I add 12 volts to the coil on the solenoid, it's closing. So I'll get you a closer look at what's going on here. So this coil is not working properly. Here, I can actually do a little. So if I come here, and this is the manual override to lower it. So I'm going to replace this solenoid right here. I'm going to run and grab it, and we should be good at that point. All right. So this is how you. That's how you the override turn off. Again, this charger is getting warm, so I don't know if that's just the there's some issue with the charger. I mean, it's hot to touch right now. I disconnected it right here, but it's weird why it's getting so hot. And it did say it was at like 10 amps output. So right now I'm using a different battery charger and it seems to be working fine. I mean, I did just run it a little bit, so right now we're at 10.9 volts. So I'll run and grab that, and we'll be back shortly. 12-volt coil. So yeah, let's go get this installed. All right, so this is the part that we needed here. This little coil. Let's get it installed and see how it looks, how it works. Disconnect the battery. Go. Moment of truth. No. Okay, so I found the problem. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, right when this is the problem right here. This connection right here. So, because everything goes inside, this is inside the junction box is fine. I just chased everything all the way through. Everything was correct. So there had to be something between the two, and then I spotted this. I hadn't seen it before. All right, so after, going through everything, completely, toned out and tested out this box, even the junction box that goes up with the unit and here, I ended up, I confirmed that it was okay here and okay in the man basket. So I didn't know what the heck was going on, and then I noticed it has these couplings here in the SO cord. So, watch. Oh, now it's working because I've been messing with it. So I'm gonna take it apart and clean it up. Anyway, got it worked out. I ran it up and down multiple times, so just gotta mess with these connectors. Let's see here, we'll pop it apart and take a peek inside. You can actually hear it. You can hear the bad connection. Pull this in close. So I'm going to clean these guys up and put some dielectric grease and then put it back together, and it should be good to go. Alright, we're about to take the first ride since the repair. Let's check it out. Battery sounds a little weak. I'm not gonna go all the way up just because the battery sounds a little weak to me. I've been putting it through its paces.